In this video, you will learn how to add the USAA insurance card to your Apple Wallet. Open the USAA mobile app. Launch the app on your iPhone, then sign in using your credentials. Tap ID card under Insurance section. From the main screen or under Insurance section, select the ID card option. Select your active insurer card. Once choose your current auto insurance card that shows your policy and coverage details. Tap Add to Apple Wallet. Look for and tap the Add to Apple Wallet button. It may appear above or view the Share Official Version option. Delete expired cards if option is missing. If the option to add is missing, check your Apple Wallet for any expired USAA cards, then remove them and return to the app and try again. Confirm and save. Confirm and the additional tap Add when prompted. The card will now be available in your Apple Wallet. Now you know how to add the USAA insurance card to your Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.